Mastering modal verbs. Unraveling the magic of would. Hello, language enthusiasts. Today, we're going to explore a fascinating topic in English grammar, namely the modal verb, would. This is a versatile little word that can add a lot to your English, especially when it comes to giving and understanding advice. So, let's dive in. To start, let's clarify what would is. It's a modal verb, which means it's a type of helper verb that adds additional information to the main verb in a sentence. When we use would for advice, it tends to add a sense of politeness and a hypothetical tone to our suggestions. Here's an example. You would look great in that dress. In this case, would softens the suggestion, making it seem more like a friendly opinion than a direct instruction. Now, how exactly do we use would when giving advice? The basic structure is subject plus would plus base verb. It's important to note that would is always followed by the base form of the verb, regardless of the subject. For instance, I would go to the doctor if I were you. Here, would indicates a hypothetical situation where the speaker imagines themselves in the listener's place. Another example might be, he would benefit from more exercise. Here, the speaker is offering advice about what could be beneficial for he. One thing that can confuse English learners is the difference between would and should. While both are used for giving advice, should is more direct and certain, while would offers a softer, more hypothetical suggestion. Consider these two examples. 1. You should study more. This is a direct piece of advice. 2. You would benefit from studying more. This is a more polite suggestion. In general, if you want to give advice in a gentler, less commanding way, would is a great choice. And there you have it. You've now mastered the use of would when giving advice in English. Remember, would adds a layer of politeness and hypothetical meaning to your suggestions. And it's always followed by the base form of the verb. Use it to give advice in a friendlier, more considerate way. I hope this video has been helpful. Keep practicing, and soon enough, would will become a natural part of your English vocabulary. Until next time, happy learning!